Welcome back to JSR Farms on YouTube. I know it's been kind of a long time since I've been on here regular. A lot of things been going on. Seemed like after COVID, I just kind of, and all through harvest, I was just kind of slacking on my videoing, and I'm sorry. A lot of it that I post is narrow, and the reason being is it was on Snapchat, and I would just forget to bring my GoPros and so please forgive me on the harvest stuff. It was such a fast pace. I was on oxygen, and it was all we could do to just get it harvested, and so I just didn't pay much attention to the YouTube channel during that time, and I'm sorry. We had an excellent year this last year, as you noticed from our baling. We're gonna have a part 3. This is a part 3 of our baling this year. Going to be on Jackie's. Going to have a lot of raking. Got a lot of drone footage. I got the drone about the time we started Jackie's. Really just about the time we got finished with Medlocks in the East. Going to have some good footage on this episode with my son Chance running the rakes on mile-long rows. Jackie's didn't make a whole bunch. It's sandy. We hadn't fertilized it in years, but it did great. Holding the ground good. We're out here hauling the hay off of it right now. So I just figured I would mention to y'all reason why my YouTube has not been as regular lately, and I'm doing great with COVID. It's all behind me now. I'm not even sleeping with oxygen anymore. They said I would be on oxygen the rest of my life if I survived, and then I walked out of the hospital on oxygen and baled hay on oxygen. At the end, I wasn't even baling hay on oxygen. So I'm just getting better every day, and I'm pretty well back to normal. I mean, I don't even think that I'm winded as much anymore. I mean exercising. So I think I'm back to normal. But thank y'all for your prayers, and hey man, stay tuned to this channel, because we've got a lot of stuff, and we're going to be hauling a lot of hay, and going to be be doing a lot of things. So just stay tuned. I appreciate y'all staying hooked. Please hit that like, little thumbs up there on the corner. Hit that follow, and hit that little subscription bell there on the end. It'll notify you every time we upload a video. We're going to try to do it once a week now, until we get real busy, and then we might give y'all a couple of weeks. But I'm toying with ideas on what day. So what day do y'all want to see me? I mean, what day is prime time to you? Sundays, Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, Saturdays? I mean, what day is good for y'all for me to be on here? So just let me know. Just give me a comment, and I'll try to upload that day if I get some suggestions. What do y'all want to see? Do y'all want to see more equipment? Do y'all want to see more shop builds, working on equipment, loading out hay, talking about marketing? You want me to go visit a dairy? You want me to, what would you like me to do? I might go visit a dairy. I might go drone a dairy, and then we go in the milk parlor and see that, and see the feeding area, and watch them mix a load of feed. I can do that. I can ask one of my local dairymen, and he'd be glad for me to showcase his dairy. I might do that. I might go see one of my friends and show his farm off. You might get a little bit different taste of that. I might have a little old feedlot, a little growing yard. I might highlight one time. I might do a little interview on there. So I don't know. What do y'all want to see? What do y'all want to see? You want to see more of a playing daily life? Like I said, shop builds, plowing, tillage. We're going to be doing some of that. But what do you want to see on this channel? So I'm asking my audience, and just leave your comment below, and we'll try to add it for you. So thanks. right, we got another promotional today. Today we're being promoted by Pritchett, Twine, and Net Wrap. On here, but today we have JJ Pritchett from O'Neill, Nebraska. He is my net wrap manufacturer. I've got several. I say several. I've got two. We're just going to talk about JJ Pritchett. They sell twine and net wrap. I've been using their net wrap pretty well on, more than off, for the last 4 years now. Very nice product, rolls out great. If you see my hay bales on here, all my round bales, that's more than likely it's Pritchett net wrap. It's either Pritchett or another brand, which Scott, if you'll give me a cap, I'll sponsor you too. But anyway, big old call out to JJ Pritchett at Pritchett Twine and Net Wrap. They've got 5 foot, they've got 4 foot, they've got 48 inch, they've got, they got even different colors. They got, all kind of wrap and film and whatever you need. Just call JJ Pritchett there at Pritchett Twine and Net Wrap up in O'Neill, and in the description down here I'll post his information, and he'd be glad to fix you up and get you some good twine and net wrap. So one of my sponsors, there you go, JJ.